Today we're going to be doing an ombre red lip combo. I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a gradient lip combo. Gradients meaning those lip combos that go from lightest to darkest, as you can see on my lips. Let's get right into it. You want to start off with a clean moisturized lips because we'll be going in with a matte lip stain. Starting off with a pencil, I'm using the Rhodesbymo black pencil to line my lips. Then you want to go in with a brush just to blend out the edges. So you want to start out from the edges and then blend it out into your lips. Then I'm going back in just to define those lines. It's supposed to look something like this once you're done blending it out. Now I'm going in with my lip stain. This is the Maybelline Matte Ink Lipstick. Now when applying this, you want to focus the product more in the middle, just like so, and then leave out the inner part of your lip close to your teeth area, like I'm doing here. I left out the inner part of my lip because I just want the lip stain to naturally blend in once I start rubbing my lips together, which would give that area a faded red lip instead of a very thick dark red. Now to blend out the outer corners, I'm going to take my lip wand and wipe off all the excess on the mouth. You want to make sure there's not a lot of product on the mouth before you apply it on your outer corner. Then I'll go in and apply it on the outer corners of my mouth. Because I took away some product from the wand, it's giving a very light faded red on the lip liner, and this is what we want to achieve when we're doing an ombre lip. Because we use our wand directly from the lipstick, don't forget to wipe it down to remove all that lip liner stain before putting it back into the bottle. To clean up, we'll be going in with a concealer. Just a tiny bit of concealer is all you need, and a concealer brush like this to clean out the edges of your lips. And once you're done, it's meant to be looking something like this, giving the radiant ombre look effect.